Yesterday after work, I was driving home from the post office and I saw something in my area that doesn't come up too often. There were two things that caught my eye, but there was a little farm stand along the road that had a sign out for figs, and that doesn't ever happen here. Hardly ever do I even see a nursery selling a fig. So I stopped, uh, didn't see anything, and this man comes out walking around the corner, and he leads me to another section of their garden, and he had oodles and oodles of figs. He had pints for sale. The price was crazy low. My expectations are not that high because I think they're underripe, but for $3 for a pint, it was worth just getting to meet this gentleman and having a conversation. So I wanted to open these up, give them a try. He did not think that figs should be like cracked on the edges when they were harvested, and he gave me the ripest ones he had, but they're soft, but I'm really not expecting a whole lot. So let's check these out and see what we've got. Yeah, nice color, but still probably underripe here. We're going to give this a taste, see how it goes. We'll try a couple, give them the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, I'm smelling cucumber right off the bat. Just a little bit of berry. Yeah, definitely underripe. He couldn't tell me what variety they are, but he said the trees are 10 years old and that we did have a pretty hard winter, which wasn't surprising to hear at all. Yeah, let's cut a couple of others open just to see if maybe there are any in here that are ripe. This one looks a little soft. That's closer. Let's give that a taste. That's better. That's not bad. That's more towards like more in the direction of raspberry. I'm still getting a slight note of cucumber, but that one wasn't too bad. Let's go for one more. I don't know if there are any soft ones in here really that ripe. Man, it's too bad. He had pints of these ready to go. They're 2 miles from my house. I don't understand how. I've never seen them before. He mentioned last year was the first year he ever put a sign out, so that might be part of it, but I don't normally run to that post office either. Yeah, this one's not too bad. See how that... Let's try the skin too. That one's closer too. Still a shade under. But I'll actually finish that one. That was pretty good. Sort of interesting. I was kind of annoyed. I was expecting some equipment that was delivered through the post office, and we have a mailbox that locks. Signature was required. I normally never go to that post office, and it was sort of life's funny way of telling me to be patient, because if that hadn't happened, I probably never would have found this. The other thing that caught my eye was they sell saffron, but he has persimmons growing, apples, he has okra, which I just can't believe, but definitely going to be headed back there, and I will probably take you along. One last bite. Yeah, like I said, a little underripe, but for $3, got to give him a try and meet somebody new in the community. So, thanks for watching.